In this case study, we have 4-member group. Their name is Hina Goyal, Tanuj Singh, Amlesh Shirki and Hardeep Singh. Now let's talk about the introduction. The Lee Meridian Hotel was established in 1972 by Air Force to provide a home away from home for its customer. The 5-star Hotel Lee Meridian is built on 2 hectares of land with connecting the 2 major roads, Janpat and Rasina Road in New Delhi. And you know that New Delhi is the heart of the city. Now let's talk about the location of the site. The location is New Delhi. The climate of the site is humid. The topology of the site is plain land. The form of the project is 2 square boxes. The structure type is RCC. The architect made the site name is Sharat Pradhan and Associate Bobby Architect. Period of construction of the site is 1982-1987. Now about project, the site area, total site area is 4.29 acre. It means 17,361 square meter. Total number of rooms in the hotels are 358. Ground coverage is 40% and the number of floors is 20. You can see the map. We have marked the location of the site. Now let's talk about the concept of the site. The hotel has been designed on the atrium plan. It consists of 2 square towers with rounded corner, one taller than other. Theme used in this hotel is light and dark. There are so many facilities in the hotel. There are guest rooms, various different types of restaurants, shops, health club, and so many features. Now let's talk about the facilities of the Lee Meridian Hotel. This luxury hotel is spread over 4.5 acre. There is a grand porch. There is an entrance lobby. There is also a business center and lounge. There is also public washroom, different types of restaurants, atrium cafe, lounge bars, health clubs, beauty salons, spas, etc. And so many facilities are provided in the Lee Meridian. Now let's talk about the site plan character. The site is an irregular plot having 3 entrances. You can see on the PPT. The site being small for the purpose and the overall planning is very compact. The design is site responsive and well adapted to the site. Now talking about the parking pattern. The number 1 is entry and exit, and here also a post entry, and the number 2 and number 3 also going. The number 4 is going to the basement. And now let's talk about the hierarchy of the road on site. First of all, talking about the zoning. The site is basically divided into 4 zones. A is for commercial zone or public zone, B is for hotel tower, semi-public tower, C is for landscape pocket, and D is for service zone. First of all, service area are provided at the back of the plot covering about 500 square meter area, and main entrance on the Rasina Road, ramp of 6 meter, turning radius of 3 meter is provided, and slope the ratio of the slope is 1:10. Basically 4 entrances to the hotel. The first entrance on the Rasina Road leading to entrance porch through a rounded driveway ramp, and the second entrance is going to the banquet hall, which is on the Janpat Road. The third entry is for services, where all the mechanical services and staff, entrance of staff and material. Fourth is entrance space for disco, is on the Rasina Road. In this pic we have marked ABCD. That means A stand for LPG area, and B is a cooling tower, C is a oil tank, and D is tennis court. Now let's talk about the entry porch. 2 entry porches, one for banquet and other for main lobby area. Main lobby porch is larger and can easily provide 10 to 12 cars, whereas banquet porch can only accommodate 6 cars. Well marked entrances, tinted glasses on the roof of the porch, not only for lighting but also provide a good view from inside. Now talk about the lobby. Lobby spaces has been landscaped and it has a coffee shop, 2 restaurant and a bar in it. And atrium is on the left side from the entrances and easily approachable from the reception lobby. Here is a bubble diagram front of the house. You can see entry porch, ramp and all other facilities used in the hotel.
Hello guys, I'm Hina. I'm going to talk about floor plans. First, ground floor. Total 5 banquet hall at ground floor with different sitting capacity having one common main kitchen. As we can see the ground floor plan, Sovereign Hall 1 having an area of 1080 square meter for 550 persons sitting. Sovereign Hall 2 750 square meter. Desire Hall having an area 675 square meter. Inspire Hall 236 square meter 400 person. Allure Hall 230 square meter 400 person. Entry porch for banquet and for main lobby area can easily accommodate 6 cars. And here is no lift is provided to move ground floor to first floor. Now going to the first floor plan. As we can see, different colors shows different area of ground floor. The yellow color shows the entrance with porch open up in the reception lobby at the level of plus 5.85 meter and it consists of travel desk, main desk, cashier desk, house phones. And then going to the waiting area at the level of plus 7.15 meter. Orange color shows restaurant, bars, dining area, blue color for toilets, green color for services, cream color for the coffee shops. As we can see area distribution chart here, blue color for circulation area that is 1100 square meter, red color for kitchen that is 558 square meter, green for services that is 280 square meter, and the last one purple is for restaurant that is 958 square meter. Now these are some interior views. First one is main entrance porch, second is atrium that is waiting area, third one is bar area and fourth one is coffee shop. 10 feet wide stairs, bill desk area with trolley room, reception counter and luggage check area. Here the coffee shop plan, capacity of 100 people with area of 120 square meter approx. It has different kitchen from the main kitchen provided at its desk. The first view is entrance view, and the second point shows the interior view, third point shows the open kitchen, and the fourth one is buffet, and fifth is mini cafe bar view. Atrium lobby plan, sides 28 meter by 28 meter having 67 meter height. Here the atrium lobby has sitting area with small cafe provided, shows the capsule lift and 4 services lift, and the B shows the cascading pool, C shows the atrium area, D pastry shops, and E was staircase from first floor to second floor. Here are some interior view. First cafe with 50 people capacity, area 120 square meter approx. Second bar lounge, 40 people capacity with 100 square meter area approx. Third main counter of the cafe. Fourth stylish furniture setting. Then dining area with 110 people capacity, area 132 square meter approx. Total 6 shops are provided in the atrium floor level with size 3 by 3 meter, 4 general toilets, 1 handicap toilet with 1 meter by 1.3 meter size. There are total 14 shops on the second floor. Center shop are the premium shop having an area of 175 square meter. Large display window give a unique effect to the floor and also break corridor monotony.
Third floor is a service floor. सर्विस फ्लोर ली मेरिडियन होटल सेकेंड फ्लोर से ऊपर स्थित है। इस फ्लोर में एयर हीटिंग यूनिट्स हैं जो यूनिट्स रेस्टोरेंट और फूड सर्व्स का काम करती है। साथ ही ऊपर के कमरों की इंटरनल डक्ट्स से आने वाली पाइपें इस फ्लोर पर हॉरिजॉन्टल हो जाती है और बाहर एक्सटर्नल डक्ट्स के जरिए ट्रांसफर हो जाती है, जिसकी हाइट लगभग 2.1 मीटर है। फोर्थ फ्लोर, स्विमिंग पूल जो सर्विस फ्लोर के ऊपर स्थित है और पूल का फिल्टरेशन प्लांट सिर्फ सर्विस फ्लोर में है। एंड पूल में एंट्री जो जिम एरिया और चेंजिंग रूम से होकर जाती है। इस फ्लोर में रिक्वायरमेंट है जैसे कि हम इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, जिम, पूल, कॉफ़ी एरिया, चेंजिंग रूम, स्पा, सैलून, सर्विस एरिया और जो आउटर और इनर साइड्स जो वॉकवे टाइप्स ऑफ कॉरिडोर हैं, जिसकी लेवल 18.3 मीटर है। जनरल इंफॉर्मेशंस, इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड की फैसिलिटी के साथ मैक्सिमम कंफर्ट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया। टोटल 355 रूम है, जिसके साथ ही एट्रियम, लॉबी, बढ़िया डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट और एक्सीलेंट लीजर्स फैसिलिटीज़ में खुलने वाले द एलिगेंट स्टाइल ऑफ फ्रांस विथ वार्म हॉस्पिटलिटी ऑफ इंडिया की सुरुचिपूर्ण शैली का आनंद लेने में बड़ा योगदान है, जिसके रूम का मेजरमेंट का नाप 35 से 200 वर्ग मीटर है। और गेस्ट रूम, जिसमें टाइप्स ऑफ गेस्ट रूम है एंड नंबर ऑफ गेस्ट रूम एंड एरिया ऑफ गेस्ट रूम के डिटेल्स हैं। डिलक्स रूम्स 107 है और जो 35 स्क्वायर मीटर इसकी एरिया है। प्रीमियम रूम्स 18 है और 7 स्क्वायर मीटर एरिया है। ली रॉयल क्लब्स रूम्स 115 है और जिसकी एरिया 50 स्क्वायर मीटर है। डिलक्स स्वीट्स 23 है, प्रीमियम स्वीट्स 20 है एंड ली रॉयल क्लब्स स्वीट्स 6 है और लग्जरी स्वीट्स 6 है जो 79 स्क्वायर मीटर है। प्रीमियम और डिलक्स रूम्स 5 से 19 फ्लोर पर अवेलेबल है और नंबर ऑफ रूम्स 304 हैं। रूम्स आर स्पेशल सीटिंग्स और वर्किंग टेबल है, जिसमें फर्स्ट एंट्रेंस है, बेडरूम है और टॉयलेट और ड्रेसिंग है। और प्रेसिडेंटियल स्वीट्स आर अवेलेबल 18, 19 और 20 फ्लोर पर है, जिसमें नंबर ऑफ रूम्स 54 हैं। रूम्स एंड लॉज एट 20 फ्लोर्स। एंट्रेंस है, लॉबी है, लॉबी से ही पेंट्री और पाउडर वाशरूम है एंड लॉबी से बेडरूम एंड बेडरूम से टॉयलेट ड्रेसिंग रूम जाने के लिए। टिपिकल फ्लोर 5th फ्लोर, जिसमें रूम्स एंड स्वीट्स हैं, फायर एग्जिट स्टेयरकेस है, गेस्ट लिफ्ट, सर्विस लिफ्ट है, जिसमें स्वीट्स रूम है, पेंट्री है, सर्विस एलिवेटर है, पेंट्री शॉप है, डिलक्स रूम है, फायर स्टेयरकेस है, गेस्ट एलिवेटर है और कॉरिडोर है, जिसे हम पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं। 20th फ्लोर, जिसमें रेसिडेंशियल है, स्वीट्स है, 1 बार है और 2 रेस्टोरेंट है। जैसा कि हम इस इमेज में रिक्वायरमेंट दे सकते हैं, स्वीट्स रूम, पेंट्री, सर्विस एलिवेटर, पेंट्री शॉप, डिलक्स रूम्स, फायर स्टेयरकेस, गेस्ट एलिवेटर, कॉरिडोर्स, लॉन्ज, किचन एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव लॉन्ज। सेक्शन ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग, जैसा कि हम इस बिल्डिंग में देख सकते हैं कि गेस्ट रूम है, लॉन्ज, रेस्टोरेंट, एट्रियम, पेस्ट्री शॉप, स्विमिंग पूल, स्पा एंड जिम, रिसेप्शन एरिया, शॉप, बेसमेंट, पार्किंग, बैंकेट हॉल, वर्टिकल कोर, बेसमेंट सर्वे एरिया एंड कमर्शियल टावर, इसमें कलर वाइज इन्हें डिनोट किया गया है। सेक्शन ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग, पार्किंग के लिए कमर्शियल टावर के जरिए दो बेसमेंट का उपयोग पार्किंग के लिए किया जाता है और बैंकेट हॉल और ओपन सीटिंग एरिया लॉन्ज ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर स्थित है और फर्स्ट फ्लोर एरिया में रिसेप्शन एरिया, मीटिंग रूम्स, शॉप्स, रेस्टोरेंट और वेटिंग एरिया ये सभी स्पेस हैं। और सेकेंड फ्लोर में सभी शॉप एरिया हैं जो केवल फर्स्ट फ्लोर से स्टेयरकेस के द्वारा संपर्क किया जाता है। एंड थर्ड फ्लोर सर्वाइव फ्लोर है और फोर्थ फ्लोर में स्विमिंग पूल, स्पा, जिम और पूल पार्टी के लिए एक ओपन एरिया उपलब्ध है। और फिफ्थ फ्लोर के गेस्ट रूम 20 फ्लोर से शुरू होता है और जिसमें 355 कमरे हैं।
In the basement B1 floor, level 3.6 meter we are having. Here we can see the basement entry and basement panel room and other rooms like AC plant, hair press room, washing machine, laundry, 2.2 service area. Here we can see the 6 meter wide with 1:6 slope and electrical panel room. We can see in the plan circulation is 27% approx. The circulation is approx 27%. Services, we have one thing. First thing is water supply and treatment. and the source were bore well. So the things are, the hotel has own filtration and they have a boiler they give 600 kiloliter per hour waters to laundry and kitchens other places, and we have a clarifier which can provide cold water in swimming pools after every 6 hours. And we have a data of types of tank, the number of tanks and capacity. Capacity is in kiloliter. The next services is sewage. Sewage is going from gas floor to service floor to lower floor to underground pipes and through PIT to the main sewer line. The sewer lines are always vertical shaft for sewage. The working space for easy access vertical shaft provided at each floor. Every floor has its own vertical shafts. For maintenance, they use disposal system and sewage systems. The next is garbage disposal. The garbage disposal has 4 types of things: the dry garbage, recyclable, wet garbage, and hazardous waste. Different types of things need different types of disposals. Like dry garbage area, separate stores for crushed bottles, cranes, and dustbin disposal. Wet garbage area, air conditioned area at temperature of 9 degrees Celsius. Next is laundry. The laundry of Meridian is approx 300 square meter, and the good thing is the housekeeping staffs visit approx every room daily. In laundry, they provided 4 meter square area is sufficient for line storage. The equipments in the laundry were 3 small washing machines and 3 large washing machines. They have a dry cleaners, calendar machines, shirt press, stream press for woolen and silks, and hot head press too for cotton things. Air conditioning. In the air conditioning, the next thing is air conditioning. The air conditioning services are the whole structure is centrally air conditioned. Means the whole area, like the whole hotel is air conditioned, and the AC plant room is on the second basement, height of 6 meters. The number of AHUS is approx 5. Total load was 1500 ton chiller plant, 3 numbers of 300 ton each. All 3 are used in peak hours. We can see the total area covered by AC is 37790 square meter. Total capacity when fully used is 1100 tons. Boilers. The boiler room is provided next to the parking on the first basement, having area of 170 square meter. There are 3 steam boilers each with a capacity of 3.5 ton per hour. So the next service is parking. Sufficient car spacing available at the basement. Visitors parking is available on the side of the ramp, but the main parking on the basement. Parking for 250 cars out of 50 service parking and 200 in basements. Entrance to the hotel is through vestibule, which leads to the waiting area. Staff entrance is through the back side of the hotel building. The next thing is planning. The overall plan has 2 square towers with rounded corners. Elevated entrance gives a dramatic effect to the porch. The reception lobby provided is adequate with sufficient seating for around 30 people. Toilets are also well linked with the lobby. All the public area located on first floor, only leaving the above area to be as guest floors. The entrance to banquet and meeting room are separate. Also, the steps leading to various banquets are located near the entrance, only in the lobby area. The next is circulation. Vehicular movement is restricted only to the periphery of the site, with only pedestrian movement allowed inside the blocks, creating very clean environment. Parking has kept in the basement, allowing rest of the site to the landscape. Entry. The entry, there are total 4 entrances to the hotel, including service entries. Service entrance is on the Janpath Road, provides entrance to the staff. Main entrance is through elevated road. The next is inference and demerits. The inference are surface parking must be available for the staff and for visitors too, and separate entrance for guests and staff to be provided. Segregation of the entrance according to different functions should be provided. And the demerits were like there is no pedestrian path leading to the main entrance porch. Parking solution is not also properly channelized. Open parking provided is not efficient. Means they can
They can make a B3 or any floor, or like B4, they can provide there too for the parking service for the visitors. The service entry is from the Janpat Road, which does not a good impression. It is inconvenience in the pedestrian movement coming to the hotel and restaurant. Elevator lobby is not a rigid place. It is not visible from the entrance and is designed as a completely separate area. The service door opens up in the main guest lobby on each other.